In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your base territory and expand your settlement or territory in Once Human. So if I click the B key on my keyboard, you'll see that the default size of your territory is quite small, but you can expand it, and I'm going to show you how. These gray kind of walls, or this gray area, kind of marks your size of your territory. And if I use the fly mode over here, as you can see, that's how big it is. Now, let me return out of build mode, and let's make it bigger, okay? You want to press I on your keyboard to open up inventory and go inside memetics. Then you want to go inside memetics again and go to the very right where you have building. You then want to scroll down here until you see under 3 Ascendance, Territory Expansion. Click on it and press confirm. Then press confirm again and you'll get your territory expansion. Then exit this menu and exit again and get back inside your main game. Then you want to walk up to your territory terminal, okay? So next to this territory terminal, what you want to do is press H. As you can see, it says H, territory upgrade. Press it, and then you want to level up to level 2. Now, as you can see, it says after upgrading, your territory will overlap with other facilities such as strongholds and roads. Please relocate your territory to a more open area before upgrading. So this means if you want to upgrade, you have to be at a more open area to be able to do it, because near me, as you can see, I started in a very populated area and there's a bunch of people basically just right next to me, and I can't really upgrade it because it's going to overlap with other people's territory. So if you don't want that to happen, you want to choose a more open area and be cautious even before you're upgrading that you may once want to upgrade and you will need more space. So that's how you do it. Once you find the area, come back to this terminal, press H, and then press level up or F key on your keyboard, and that's literally it. That's how you upgrade your base territory and expand your settlement in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.